Welcome to Joss Tech Piping Solution. Today our topic pipe fitter fabricator tools. Angle grinder AG4, AG4.5, AG5 or baby grinder. Angle grinder AG7 or AG9. Next one die grinder or pencil grinder. Hand drilling machine. Magnetic drilling machine heavy duty. Split level magnetic base is for half feet, 1 feet, 3 feet. Plumb bob, wrap around tape. Tri square or right angle, half feet, 1 feet, 3 feet. Center punch manual, center punch automatic. Sludge hammer, brass sludge hammer, mallet, ball peen hammer. Combination spanner set. Measurement tape 3 meter, 5 meter, measurement tape 20 meter. Line dory or chalk line reel. Chalk, limestone, paint marker. Adjustable pipe stand. Fit up clamp, chain type. Fit up clamp, fixed type. Fit up clamp, adjustable type. Hydraulic button jack. Hydraulic bottle jack. High-low gauge or high-low root gap gauge. Pipe thread die set. Hand tap set. Manual. Hole body. Crowbar. Fitter tool bag. Fitter tool box. Adjustable wrench. C clamp. Allen key set. Divider inside caliper, outside caliper. Water level tube. Oxyacetylene cutting set. Preheating torch set. Pipe vise. Wire brush. Metal chisel set. Pipe wrench 1 feet, 2 feet or 3 feet. Hacksaw blade with frame, half an inch and 1 inch blade. Pipe cutter. File set, half round, full round needle file. Flogging ring spanner set. Metal wedge. Screwdriver set. Hilti hammer drilling machine. Chain block chain puller or lever hoist, lifting sling, hydraulic flange alignment tool, chop saw machine, flange hole alignment pin, gasket cutter, power cable extension drum. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.